Do you know that you can learn free courses online? Open YouTube apps and search Learners Mission TV. Subscribe, share and text us in the comment section below. So in this channel you may see different videos, and also we are having different playlists. Hello friends, in this tutorial you're going to learn how you can track your phone number by using the Google Mail or Gmail account. For example, you have lost your telephone and you want to track it. What can you do? You may use this Gmail account, or you may use the Gmail account which is already signed in the telephone you lost to track where it is. So in the next video we will talk about how you can track your phone number or your phone by using IMEI or the International Mobile Equipment Identity. In other words, it is a number usually unique to identify 3GPP and ITHEN mobile phones as well as some satellite phones. So let us focus on how you can track the telephone by using the Gmail account. What do? So firstly, you open the Google Chrome. You click on Chrome. After clicking on Chrome, you search, you type or text www.google.com. Then you search, click on search. After that, you're going to type here in the search bar, find my phone. You type find my phone. Search, click on search. After that, you're going to scroll down and you click on find my device, Google. Click on this, find my device, Google. Just click on. Then after clicking on, it is loading. So let us click on dismiss. So you see here that we are having the telephone. I have this telephone which is called the Techno Spark 5, and we are having also the SIM card which is in this telephone. It is MTN, and the power, it is the percentage is 34. Then after, I'm having two telephones here. I'm having another telephone which is also Spark. When you click here, but this Spark is also Spark 5, and the last scene 35 minutes, and you see that this system is tracking this telephone M10 Rwanda and 27%. Remember that I have used this email, or I have signed this email in this telephone and in the both telephones, this one and this one. Okay, so then I may use this email to track the telephone I lost. For example, I lost this Techno Spark 5. How can I track it? How can I get this Techno Spark 5? What do you do? We are having different options here. We are having play sound. So when you just click on this play sound, what do you do? The telephone will start ringing, even if it is in silent mode. The telephone will start ringing. So let me press on this play sound. So in other words, when you click on play sound, the telephone will start ringing 5 minutes. To stop the sound, press the power key on the device. So here, this telephone is ringing. Then it does cancel. It does stop this. Then there is another option. Device has stopped ringing. We are having another option. Secure device. Secure device. When you click on this option 2, you can secure the phone you lost. How? Let us click on. So here on this option, add a message on phone number. Leave anyone who finds your device a message or a phone number where you can be reached. So here you're going to type the message. So for example, I may type return my phone. Return my phone. Then the phone number, I can put my number. For example, I can type 073 50 23 20 60. Then for example 9. When you click on this one on secure device, the one who is having this telephone will see the message. So in other words, this message will be on the screen of that telephone, and the one who is having that telephone will not be able to use that telephone again. In other words, it is a security. You're gonna send the security, and that one who is having that telephone will never be using this telephone again. So let us see another option. Let us go back. Let's go back. Sorry, let us click also on find my device. The last option is erasing or to erase device. For example, you want to delete everything which is which are in your telephone. You want to erase everything. For example, when you click here, so it means that all data will be permanently erased from this device. After your device has been erased, you can't locate it. If your device is offline, erasing will begin when it next comes online. To erase your device, you may need to sign in to your Google account again. When you click on this erase device, everything which are in your telephone you lost will be erased immediately. So let me show you if it is true. What I'm telling you, if it is true. For example, sorry, let me also click on find my device again. For example, just now I'm using this Spark 5. Let me suppose that I have lost this Spark 5, Techno Spark 5. I have lost it. For example, I want to verify, I want to see the one who is having my telephone. So let me first use this first option, play sound. When you click on this one, play sound, this telephone will start ringing even if it is in silent. See that this telephone start ringing. 5 minutes. Device has stopped ringing. Okay. So this is the way you can use to track the telephone you lost. So please, if you have any question, please text us in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Ciao.